Hello everyone, so today I am going to cook sea bream with coconut milk. For this recipe, I am going to use one sea bream cut into 3, or you can also use tilapia if you want, or any fish that you like. Then we also need moringa leaves or malunggay, pechay, or bok choy if you want, whatever one you want to call it. 1 tomato and 3 pieces of green chilies, 1 and 1/2 cup of coconut milk, cooking oil for sauteing and for frying the fish, minced garlic, chopped onion, non-medium size only or small size, 1 nub ginger sliced, vinegar 2 tablespoons, salt and pepper to taste. The first thing that we need to do is to season the fish with salt and pepper. Let's start cooking by putting some oil in a wok or a frying pan. Fry the fish on both sides until it becomes golden brown, then set aside. Next step, using a medium-sized pan, put a little bit of oil to saute the ginger and onion. Once the onion becomes translucent, you can now add the minced garlic. Mix it and then add the tomatoes. Mix to combine and wait for the tomatoes to become soft for about 30 seconds. Once the tomatoes is soft, you can now add in the coconut milk. Stir the coconut milk until it starts boiling. Once the coconut milk starts boiling, we can now add in the malunggay, the pechay, and the green chilies. Mix to combine and simmer for about 30 seconds. Then season it with salt and pepper according to your preference. Mix again to make sure that the salt and pepper is properly distributed, and then add in the fried fish. Cover the fish with the coconut sauce to absorb the flavors. Then pour in the 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Do not mix it, just let it simmer for a few minutes. Finally, it's done. Transfer to a serving plate, then serve and enjoy!